What if I told you that creating short-form content for social media has never been easier and that it's one of the fastest ways to generate passive income online today? Look at this channel, for example. It started less than a year ago and is already pulling in over $8,000 every single month. A quick glance at their YouTube page shows more than 563 videos posted, most of them simple, powerful YouTube shorts. Now you're probably wondering, how do they upload so much content so consistently? Do they have a huge team of editors? Do they ever even sleep? Or have they unlocked a game-changing secret the rest of us don't know about? In today's video, I'm pulling back the curtain and revealing exactly how these AI-powered shorts are created and how you can start making your own in just minutes. If you've been following my channel, you already know I love showing you how to create content with free AI tools. But today's video is a little different. The tools I'm about to show you are mostly paid, but trust me, they're worth every penny. And don't worry, this isn't a sponsored video. I personally tested a ton of AI short generators, and only 2 of them truly impressed me. Stick around until the very end, because I'll even show you a sneaky way to use one of these tools for free. Ready to level up your content creation game? Let's dive in. But before revealing a tool, if you've been dreaming about launching your own Faceless YouTube channel but don't know where to start, this is your moment. I've created the YouTube automation blueprint that shows you exactly how to go from $0 to $10,000 a month without showing your face, using your voice, or spending countless hours stuck editing. This isn't just another generic guide. Inside, I break down the exact system I use step by step, how to find high-paying untapped niches, the script formula that actually retains viewers, my secret workflow to automate videos without losing quality, and even the tools I use to create cinematic visuals and emotional voiceovers without ever recording a single word. The knowledge packed into this blueprint comes from multiple top creators with real experience in the YouTube automation space. I studied their strategies, combined them with my own experience, and distilled everything into one solid, easy-to-follow guide, so you don't have to figure it all out alone. Best part? It's just $20, one-time payment, lifetime-owned products, no subscriptions, no fluff, just results. So if you're serious about building a profitable, low-effort YouTube channel in a timeless niche like AI niches, explainer video, or wisdom storytelling, click the link in the description, grab the blueprint, and let's build something that earns you money while you sleep. Alright, today I'm going to show you how to create short videos using an AI tool called Clipwise. It's incredibly easy. Just follow 3 simple steps. Enter your idea and choose a video style. Customize the video and preview it. Download and share your final video. I'll leave the link in the description, so head over and create your free account. Once you're logged in, you'll see a dashboard like this. To start creating your video, the first step is to choose your preferred language. I'll go with English for this example. Before entering your video idea, make sure to select the right audience and conversation settings. This helps tailor the video's tone and delivery. Now, always try to input a detailed and thoughtful idea. For instance, I want to make a wisdom-themed story, so I'm typing this prompt: a life lesson story about respect and humility. A wealthy student mocks the school janitor daily, calling him just a cleaner. One day, the janitor saves the student's life during a fire. It's later revealed that the janitor was once a highly respected engineer who lost everything while helping others. This AI video generator can create a captivating story using just a simple prompt, but my suggestion is to use a detailed prompt so you can get the best results. After you've set up all the necessary settings for your video, you can click the Generate button and proceed to the narration settings, where you can choose your own unique voiceover for the script narration you want to create for your wisdom niche. Then, scroll down and you'll see in this section the images that have been generated for the short story you're making. On the right side, you can edit each voice script if there's anything you want to change or add to the voice narration. As for the images, I'll first change some of them because I don't quite like the ones that are currently there. If you want to change an image, just click the pencil button and then click Regenerate, so Clipwise can generate a new image. Once you're satisfied with the edits you've made, you can click the Next button, which costs 1 credit, and within a few seconds, the short story video in your wisdom niche will be generated automatically. With just a few clicks, you can try Clipwise for yourself. The link is in the description so you can start creating your own YouTube automation content with minimal effort, yet still get an effective and high-quality output. Plus, Clipwise is not time-consuming to use, so you'll save a lot of time when it comes to creating content for your YouTube automation. After a few seconds, the video is done and has been generated. You can now preview it. If you're not satisfied with the caption effects, you can still change them based on your desired settings or preferred animation. You can also change the video's overlay effect. Choose between lightning, fireworks, or digital world. But for now, I'll choose light leaks because it has minimal effects and I want the captions to be easy to read, especially since I created a wisdom niche story using Clipwise. And for the final part of our viral and monetizable YouTube shorts, I'll add the perfect background music. This is one of the most important key components for making your YouTube shorts go viral. You should pick a highly engaging and stimulating music track that really matches the short you're creating so it can get higher retention once viewers start watching it. You can also adjust the music volume and video speed. Okay folks, once everything is ready and you've properly set all the settings you want, you can click the next button. Now, Clipwise will take some time to render the video. Let's fast forward to that part. And our video is ready now. You can review the video, and if you need further customization, then hit the edit button from here. And if you're satisfied with the video, click the download button to save the video to your device. Alright, our video is ready.
In a tall office, a janitor worked quietly while the boss rushed but lacked true peace. The janitor mended items carefully, finding purpose in small acts, while the boss chased endless tasks. One day, the boss noticed the janitor's calm and realized success wasn't just power or money. They shared stories, and the boss learned true success is about humility, respect, and inner peace. Brand name reminds us, true success blooms from kindness and purpose, not just titles or wealth.
I think this is an incredible video, especially considering how quickly it was made. And it's not just limited to wisdom niche stories. You can create amazing videos in any niche using this powerful AI video generator. Whether it's a life lesson, a motivational story, or any other topic, this tool lets you bring ideas to life within seconds, with minimal effort, and without wasting hours on production. Now, you might be wondering, how much does this AI tool cost? Here's the good news. You can actually start using Clipwise for free. It allows you to create highly engaging videos without any upfront cost. However, if you're serious about content creation, it's worth considering one of their paid plans. Clipwise offers 2 viral toolkit plans. First, the starter plan. For just $25 per month, you can create up to 40 premium HD videos without a watermark. This plan includes 1,200 credits, unlimited images, priority video generation, customizable video lengths, general commercial usage rights, and more. Next, there's the Creator Toolkit plan, which costs $39 per month. This plan lets you produce up to 80 premium HD videos each month, again without a watermark, and includes all the other premium features. Honestly, that's a very reasonable price for the value it offers. I highly recommend giving it a try. You'll find the link in the description below. Alright friends, that wraps up today's video. Before we end, I'd love to hear your thoughts about Clipwise AI. Feel free to share your opinions and results in the comments section. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time, happy creating.